poho kereru ana a Kairau Haser Bradley I tēnei mahitoi. He whakahau tēnei pakitara hou ki te whare wānaka o ara.
The work behind me it's an ode and a letter of admiration, I think, to the city of Christchurch, Ōtautahi. It's a piece of work that speaks for their resilience, or the way that I see the city rise through a lot of the pain that it's been through.
He āpiti hoki tēnei a he manawa pou, he manawa ora ki te hui taurima o Flare Street Art. Koinei te urunga tuatahi o Bradley ki te hui, me te mea hoki, neke atu te kotahi wiki I whakatutuki I aia I tana pakitara.
I obviously come from a graffiti background, so spray paint is my medium, but you know, I'm very ethical about my practice as well. You know, I want to be about as environmentally friendly as possible. So 95% of it is Dulux paint, and the rest is spray paint. So, and both of them are mediums that I use a lot, so it's an easier medium for me to control.
Ko toru tau e whakahaere ana te hui taurima, a he toa papa tēnei mā ngā ringatoi ki te whakatairanga I ngā toi I Hongaro. Ko tā Selena Whaimalo, ka tono rātau ki ngā ringatoi o te motu kia whakauru mai ki te kaupapa.
We have like a committee for part of Flare, and we kind of all brought artists that we wanted to the table, and we all across the board knew that we wanted more toi Māori art in Ōtautahi. It's something that isn't prominent in the streets. I think it's quite subtle. Some of the artists haven't painted at this scale, and some are very experienced, so it's kind of like it's that circular, we've got experienced and emerging, and we're all sharing skills together.
Tatamatu te wā ki runga o Bradley me tana noho mai ki Ōtautahi hei tēnei wikene. A e manoko ana ia ka hoki mai hei te rātau.
I spent a lifetime painting around the world, painting around the country, and not all of those works kind of hold the same weight that this one does, and that's a result of, you know, through most of my career it's kind of been on my own back. I'm not sure if I'll get invited back. I actually like the idea that they find new artists all the time. I think the key to making sure public art serves its purpose is to make sure there's art for everyone.
Ka mutu te hui taurima, hei te kaumātahi o Maihe. A ka noho tonu enei mahitoi ki te taone, mo ake tonu atu. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.